Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing property and companies and source of funds. And what we're basically discussing here is there are circumstances in which a Thai company can act as a holding company for property here in Thailand, i.e. real estate. Now, there's a narrow subset of circumstances where that can occur. So it's a really good idea. We've done a lot of videos on this channel, but those who are looking at having a Thai property holding company, really good idea to contact a legal professional, gain insight and guidance in how best to deal with that from a formality standpoint, because you need to be really careful with that, as we've discussed in other videos. That stated, one aspect of this that sometimes people don't look at, one of the formalities is source of funds. And by source of funds, what are we talking about? Well, there are certain provisions, for example, with respect to condos in Thailand, where it has to be shown that money came from offshore in order to purchase a Thai condo in freehold here in Thailand. There are some circumstances, it's mostly an accounting and tax issue with respect to funds flowing into a Thai corporation that buys property in Thailand, wherein the Thai company needs to meet certain formalities with respect to proving up the provenance of the money. Now, this is going to be very fact-specific and case-specific and circumstantially dependent, so I'm not going to dig too deep into this with respect to trying to point out hypotheticals, because it's not going to be useful, because most folks will be in different sets of circumstances. Long story short, understand there are not only formalities associated with the structure of the business, but there are also formalities associated with the underlying funds associated with the purchase of the property.